Hello everyone, it's Mr. Joe, and today we're gonna make a bird feeder. Materials needed. This is what we need to do our project. An empty bottle, a takeout container. The lid is all we need for this project. A stick. I used a dowel. Then I broke it in half because I needed two smaller ones. Some string. A permanent marker. Scissors. Remember to keep the sharp end facing down, and you can never be too careful. These can be dangerous. Duct tape. I used some twist ties because they were a little more supportive, but you don't really need them. You can just use some string. Now, I'm a grown-up, so I can do this project myself. But if you're a kid, you better ask a grown-up for help. Now, there are 3 things both people and animals need to grow big and strong. Do you know what those 3 things are? If you said food, water, or shelter, then great job. Food is what we eat when we're hungry. It gives us nutrients so we can grow big and strong. When we're thirsty, we drink water. We're practically made of this stuff. Shelter is anywhere safe that you can rest your head at night and take a nap. We need sleep to grow too. Just like me and you, birds need food, water, and shelter too. For right now, we're going to talk about a bird's food. Now, what do birds like to eat? Do they eat bugs and seeds, spaghetti and cheese, or rocks and keys? Bugs and seeds. Good job. Birds do eat bugs and worms, but they also eat seeds. And I don't want to put any bugs or worms in my bird feeder, so we're going to go with seeds. Now the first step is to take a stick a little bit longer than our takeout lid and tape it to the top. The stick going a couple inches off either side of the lid is going to make a nice surface for the birds to stand on. After you use tape to secure the stick, make 4 holes in the lid so that we can run string through it. Now take your empty bottle and mark it for 4 holes. We're going to use string or twist ties to secure these 2 together. I recommend putting the strings through the holes in the bottle first, in a way that the strings don't cross over the center of the bottle. I found the easiest way to secure the lid to the bottle was to place the bottle down and put the lid on top of it, and then thread it through that way. After you get the wires through, tie it on the other side and let it hang. You want there to be about an inch between the bottle and the lid. Try to make the nozzle of the bottle and the surface of the lid level and secure it with tape so that it doesn't move around when it gets shaken in the wind. Now take your permanent marker and mark a line just at the bottom of the bottle, which will be the top of our bird feeder, so we can open it up like a hatch and put in some birdseed. When you make the cuts, leave just enough plastic so that you can open the top and it'll close without the bottom part of the bottle coming off.
Hello there!
Make a couple of holes under the hatch we made across from each other so we can suspend our bird feeder with some more string. You want to make 2 separate loops on either side of the empty bottle so that the ropes don't interfere with the hatch while it's hanging. It should look like this when you're done. To see if the loops you made are even, try hanging them from a stick. Mine are not. Let's fix those knots up real quick, and there we go. You can hang your bird feeder with the strings, or you can tape them to the stick and hang them that way. I've got my bird feeder all taped up and ready to go. Let's go check it out. Come on. Now here's mine hanging with the stick, but you guys could have just used the string if you wanted to. Now it's time to take the shovel from our last video and fill our bird feeder with some bird seed. If you don't have bird seed, you can use rice or raisins. You can also get a lot of seeds from pumpkins and melons. Here's what it looks like after I filled it up a little bit. Birds can stand right on here and eat as much as they want. Whenever they eat, the bottle will drop more seeds in after the other seeds move. The bottle makes sure the birds have enough to eat and that we don't have to keep refilling the feeder so often. Now, I didn't see any birds yet, but that doesn't mean they won't come. I know you guys made binoculars. Maybe we can use those to do some bird watching. I can't wait to see the beautiful designs you guys come up with for your bird feeders, and I can't wait to see the birds that stop by for a snack. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Mr. Joe, taking flight.